If you're trying side hustles but still not making money, this is why. And the worst part? Some of them are actually slowing you down. My name is Wojak, and I spend way too much time thinking about how people make money. If you're someone who's trying to earn extra income but nothing's really working, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Now let's get into this. You try dropshipping, you try freelancing, you try flipping random stuff online, but somehow your bank account still looks the same. That's because most side hustles aren't designed to make you money fast. They're designed to sound easy. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is just extra income outside your main job. Simple. Could be driving, selling, coding, editing, reselling, whatever. The idea sounds perfect. More money, more freedom, less stress. But in reality, most people make little to nothing. Why? Because they misunderstand how value works. Quick example. Selling random phone cases online. Feels like a business. But thousands of people are doing the same thing. So what? Low demand for you specifically. Okay, moving on. The value probability of money follows value. That's it. If what you're doing is easy to replace, it pays less. Driving for delivery apps, low barrier. Anyone can do it, so the pay stays low. Now compare that to video editing for businesses. Harder skill, fewer people. So what? Higher earning potential. Running example, food delivery. You spend hours delivering meals. You earn per trip. No skill growth, no leverage. You're trading time for money. Again, cool. Now here's the problem. Time TRP. Most side hustles eat your time, and time is limited. Let's say you do food delivery 3 hours a day. That feels productive. You're grinding, but you're capped. You only earn when you work. Quick math. If you stop working, income stops. That's not a system. That's a second job. So what? You stay stuck in the same loop. Okay, moving on. The skill gap, the real money comes from skills, not random hustles. Skills stack. Hustles don't. If you learn, if video editing, copywriting, coding, sales, you can increase your rate over time. But delivering food, year 1 equals same as year 3. No growth. Running example again. You're still delivering the same burger, just faster. That's not progress. That's repetition. Cool. Now here's where it gets worse. The platform drop. A lot of side hustles depend on platforms. Apps, marketplaces, algorithms. You don't control them. They control you. They can reduce your reach, increase fees, change rules overnight, and your income drops instantly. Example, you rely on a delivery app. They reduce payouts. Now what? You work more for less. So what? You don't own anything. Okay, moving on. The easy money. This is the one that gets almost everyone. Most side hustles are sold as easy. Low effort, quick cash. That's the hook. But real money is rarely easy. If it was, everyone would be rich. Dropshipping, you still need marketing, ads, and product research. Freelancing, you need clients, reputation, and skill. Content creation, you need consistency and time. So what? Effort doesn't disappear, that IT just shifts. Cool. Moving on. The attention probability. Trying too many hustles kills progress. You jump from one thing to another. Nothing sticks. Week 1, delivery. Week 2, flipping items. Week 3, try an online business. Feels productive, but you're restarting every time. Running example, you quit delivery to try something else, then come back when money is low. Loop. So what? No momentum. Okay, moving on. This is where things change. Leverage equals making money without directly trading time. Examples, digital products, content, systems, scalable skills. Instead of work, get paid once. You get work once, paid multiple times. That's how income grows. Food delivery has zero leverage. One trip equals one payment. Done. So what? You stay limited. Cool. Now let's fix it. What actually WRKS good side hustles have 3 things: skill growth, control, scalability. Example, learning video editing. At first, low pay. But over time, better clients, higher rates, more income. And eventually, you can outsource work. Now you're not just working, that you're building something. Compare that to delivery again. No growth, no control, no scaling. See the difference? Okay, moving on. Starting smart and chase trends. Pick one path. Stick to it long enough to improve. Focus on learning, output, feedback. Your first goal isn't money. It's competence. Because competence turns into income. Running example. If you took the time spent delivering food and invested it into a skill, different outcome. So what? Short-term sacrifice, long-term gain. Rapid recap. Most side hustles sound easy, but they're not. They trade time for money. They don't build skills. They depend on platforms. They keep you stuck. Jumping around kills progress. Leverage is what matters. Skills create income, not random hustles. Final message. If you focus on building one real skill instead of chasing every side hustle, your income will actually grow. If this made you think differently about side hustles, hit the like button and subscribe for more.